Welcome back to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Alright then, so the second pasta in our pasta series, we're gonna use bumbu merah. Okay, we're gonna use this bumbu merah. It's kind of kick a little bit spicy, so if you guys like eating pasta with spicy kind of stuff, there you go, bumbu merah. So it's very simple. Let's do this. First, we're gonna do 2 spoons of this butter, okay?
Unsalted.
Yeah. Garlic. Okay, garlic. Garlic. Okay. Then that's it. Garlic, let them smell nice. Garlic. Then you put your pasta here. Okay, put the pasta there. Very simple. And then put your tomatillos. I'm gonna put tomatillos now. Couple tomatoes. Okay, guys. Tomatoes, probably like 5 cherry tomatoes. So you can use this. Okay, when you cook the pasta, make sure not to, like, it's not overcooked. Make like al dente, 8 to 10 minutes pasta. Okay, that's it. And then now you put your bumbu. Put the spicy. You can do like 2 or 1 spoon. Doesn't matter. I'll do 1. I'll do 2. It's gonna be spicy. Okay. Gonna be spicy, guys. Take a look at that color, red color. Okay, but I'm gonna use a white pepper here. Okay, a little bit white pepper. White pepper and salt. You're gonna do salt, kosher salt or any kind of salt. Salt to taste, guys. Then very simple, let them cook. Okay, and then if you have a Parmesan cheese like this, so you can just dump it like this, Parmesan cheese, and then another Parmesan cheese. Okay. Before plating, let's taste. Bueno, sottiamo bene. Okay. If you more salt, I don't really eat a lot of salt, but if you more salt, put salt, or you can put more cheese at the end. Okay. I think that's it. The spicy is right there. It's not too spicy, but you taste kind of that stuff. And then the herbs, kind of Indonesian kind of taste, it's there. If you want to put more, so you can always put more. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is your pasta with bumbu merah. It's kind of spicy a little bit, and you're gonna have that cube or Parmesan cheese. It's gonna give you some saltiness there, but if you want more salt, by all means do more salt. Okay, and then you can put your cheese on the top. Cheese. Okay, ta-da! Pasta with bumbu merah ala 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. So go buy our seasoning 17,000flavors.cooking, that's our website. Purchase and try this at home. You're gonna like it, and you can do your creativity. You can mix with whatever, but what I'm showing you is very simple. Just chop, cut, cook. You are done, like in 5 minutes. pasta ala 17,000 flavors of Indonesia with bumbu merah. Try at home and buy the seasoning. Thank you guys and bye bye.